it is time for special of the day. And so the special of the day today is for improving the relationship. You know how we are talking about there are habits that can sabotage your health and your relationship, and there are habits that you can build that can help you improve. So there are 3 tips that I usually share with my patients that really help them. Would you like to learn those?
I would. Please.
Right. Yeah. Let me share them in short. The first tip is when you're doing your morning gratitude, and I hope all of you are doing the gratitude journal now, since I've been talking about it for a long time. So when you're doing your morning ritual, writing ritual or gratitude ritual, one of the technique you can use is appreciating the relationships. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, close your eyes and think about 5 people in your life that you appreciate. One by one, bring their image to your mind and appreciate them being part of your life, and then send them a positive thought, send them a prayer, send them a blessing for a wonderful day, for health, happiness in their life, right? And you'll see that as you send this kind, loving wish for the people you care about, you would also feel good. All right. So that's one tip. The second tip, during the day, let's say you go to work or school or wherever you're going and you come back home. Many times, like we were talking about, after a very stressful day, you come home really angry and upset, and you come inside, and although you were not able to scream at your boss at work, but then you come home and you scream at your family member. And then what are you doing? You're kind of displacing your anger from work to home. So instead, and then it affects your relationship and the relationship that you care the most about. So instead, when you come home, take 1 minute before entering home, okay? Mm-hmm. And let go of all the thoughts about the work outside. And on the door, tell yourself, I'm going to meet the most important people in my life after a whole day. You know how when you go somewhere on vacation and you come back after a month, and how you come home and you greet your loved ones, right? How are you? And you give a hug or whatever is your way of meeting your loved ones. Okay? And you've been out the whole day. So standing on the door, think about, I'm going to meet the most important people in my life after a whole day, and then greet them accordingly. And the third, when you are going to sleep, make sure that you forgive all their mistakes and let go of anger. Don't go to sleep in anger and frustration, because that would disturb your sleep and it would affect your relationship. So again, in the morning, send them appreciating, loving blessings. During the day, when you come home, tell yourself, I'm going to meet the most important people in my life after a whole day. And then at night, forgive them all their mistakes and send them love as you go to sleep. And you'll see that your relationship would start blossoming. So I leave you with the question, what do you choose today? Are you going to allow all the external issues coming to you, all the stressors that are coming to you, drain you? Or are you going to take the steps of doing energy boosting activities and focus on improving your relationship every day of your life? Every day you have new opportunity to make changes. Make it the best day. On that note, stay safe, healthy, and happy. Thank you, Eva, for joining us today. Till next time, Dr. Rozina.